Hi guys, welcome to our vlogs. We are going to Paseo de Santiago, guys. Okay, let's go.
So now we're here to our location, Paseo de Santiago.
Let's go, guys. Look at this view, guys.
So guys, we're going to the other side of Paseo de Santiago.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey guys, we are leaving right now. Thank you for watching, guys.
And thank you for being with us.
And God bless
you,
everyone, and see you
Bye-bye.
soon. Bye bye.